Have you ever encountered what a sleeping beauty is in the stock market? No, I'm not referring the character sleeping beauty, but the stocks, right? Let's decode a sleeping beauty in the investment world. Is a stock or asset that appears dormant or undervalued for a while. It's like a hidden gem waiting to be awakened, right? Investors often identify these opportunities by looking for undervalued assets with strong potential that the market has not fully recognized yet. It is a bit like finding a stock that's taking a long nap before it wakes up to its true value. When someone mentions a sleeping beauty in investing, they are saying, hey, there might be untapped potential here, just waiting to be discovered. So keep an eye out for these sleeping beauties in the market. But remember, like any fairy tale, not every story has a happy ending. Do your research and take the risk wisely, right? Don't forget to follow Bullsmart and Neha Andaaz and download the app Bullsmart from the App Store. Stay tuned.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.